Hello, my name's Jake Finch. I'm currently part of the Crew Apprenticeship Scheme and working within the art department.
Helo, fi yn Lewis Hemmings ac rwy'n ar apprenticeship Crew ac rwy'n gweithio mewn y Department Camera.
My name is Jordan Williams, I'm from Aberdeen. I'm a part of Crew and I'm in the art department.
I found out the apprenticeship scheme through Instagram. I found the apprenticeship scheme very easy. There was a couple of phone interviews and then a group interview and then a one-on-one. It was all really nice. It was quite formal but also quite informal at some time, so it's quite relaxed. Any top tips is probably perseverance, if I can say it. As I applied for it a couple years in a row, and just keep at it and you'll get there eventually.
Nes I gweld 2 flwyddyn yn ôl ar Facebook cyntaf, a nes I meddwl dyna beth fi'n moyn neud pryd rwy'n gallu. A wedyn, blwyddyn diwethaf, rwy'n edrych ar Screen Alliance. A oedd hyn wedi dod lan eto, pryd fi wedi gweld yr am ailwaith, dyna pryd fi'n meddwl, dyna beth fi'n moyn neud. Felly fi'n credu nes I roi application fi trwy Screen Alliance. A oedd wedi mynd wrth fanna, really. Ond unrhyw tips, fel, dwi'n credu'r un peth sy'n neis yw fel, er enghraifft, I fi moyn bod mewn camera, felly just gwybod sut mae'r camera department yn gweithio, neu gwybod pwy ti'n licio, fel pwy ti'n moyn edrych ymlaen I, ble ti'n moyn bod yn y dyfodol, a just pidwch mynd mewn I fe gyda dim syniad beth mae'r department yn gwneud, achos dwi'n gwybod mae lot o bobl yn dweud, fi moyn bod yn grip, ond ddim yn really gwybod beth mae grip yn gwneud, a fel y hierarchy o fe, pwy sy'n ar y top, pwy yw'r big boss, pwy sy'n ar y dechrau. A just trio, achos mae rhywun yn mynd I gofyn ti fel, pam ti'n moyn bod yn camera trainee neu rhywbeth fel hwnna, mae rhaid I ti cael ymateb dda. So, just gwybod beth mae pawb yn gwneud yn y department.
So I heard of Skill Camera through It's My Shout, because I'd done a short film with them back about 2 years ago now, and someone from It's My Shout sent me an email link to Skill Camera, and then I looked on the website and I thought, I'll give this a try. I didn't think anything of it. I thought I'd give it a try. If I don't get it, I don't get it, but I gave it a try, and then somehow I was in the first interview, and then I was in my head, I was still thinking, how am I even here? And then I got the call back then for one face-to-face interview, and then in my head I was still thinking, how did I get here? Before I know it, then I'm on TV shows, lots of coursework, and but all in all, to be honest, I love it, and I wouldn't change a thing if I'm honest. You do get stressful days, you do get down days, but then other days repay for them days. So I'd say my top tip for newcomers to Crew would just be ready. Just be ready, be focused, and just smash it really.